So guys, the ASCP Pixel ROM is the new one with the latest Android 16 QPR1 source code. So you will get quite a lot of new goodies. First and foremost, the new screen we're seeing over here is from the 16 QPR2 source code, not the one. So that is even more interesting. So this screen is from the Android 16 QPR2 source code, and the rest of the ROMs are from the 16 QPR1 source code. I'll show you all the new features as well from this ROM. So let's get started. Let's first do all the accept terms and condition, and these all UI animation are from the 16 QPR2. Let's skip this, and now we are inside the OS. The first new change from is, you could see over here, UI of the unlocking from the 16 QPR1 source code. Then you might be aware of the new blur effect in the wallpaper in the QS tiles. As you could see, we have a new blur effect. Likewise, you could also modify the tiles as well. Just long press any one of them, then drag it to increase its size or decrease its size. You can do so for all of them. Just press it and get the job done, as you could see from here. Then apart from that, let's access the settings menu. This is the new UI which you might be aware of. Apart from that, you could now see each of the menu have their own sections separately. For example, the sound patterns, audio, they have their own sections. Then you have the new menu bar which is there in 16 QPR1 only. Apart from that, what all is there? Okay, let's see the wallpaper style section. So this new wallpaper UI is also in QPR1 source code. Then in the icons, you have a new themed icon section now. After that, let's discard it. Then the icon size, also new one. Earlier we used to have you would say 4x6, 5x6 like that, but now we have the small, medium, large, and the XL one. Let's go with small only. Discard. Then after that, if you go to the lock screen tweaks from here, you could change the clock style from this section. This is also new, as you could see. This is just a UI bug. Ignore that. These are all the clocks. You could also change the clock color from here and increase or decrease the density of the colors, make it more darker or more lighter over here, as you could see. Then apart from that, you could change the size, large or the dynamic small at the top left, you could see. Let's try to change any one of them and see what is the status. So okay, let me change the size to large one only. Let's use this one, hit the apply button. It's just a UI bug. If you look at here in the lock screen, there's no issue whatsoever, you could see. Okay, we have one notification as well. Let's remove that. And now it's in the center of the lock screen, and you could see over here. Then after that, if you apply a wallpaper, new wallpaper, you will see a new UI as well. Let me show you. This is the new UI of wallpaper application. Tap on apply, and that is complete. And the new volume panels are also there. For volume panel, let me show you. You could change to vibrate, mute from here, or tap on this to get the entire new UI for the volume. You could change the volume from this section, add an audio source as well. And that's just about it for the new UI of Android 16 QPR1 source code. You could see from the article as well. The blurring QS tiles are done, menu sections, new sliders, volume panel, wallpaper and style UI, clock tweaks, themed icon locations, icon size, all of them are given here. Applying wallpapers. Then apart from that, let's have a look at the ROM as well. It's the ASCP Pixel based ROM. What all new it has. So first off, in the display section, brightness, enhanced HDR brightness, AOD. Let's turn this on, always on display, and you could see it's enabled now. Then apart from that, dark theme, pure black. Okay, pure black is not here as of now. I was expecting that to be here, but it's not there. Colors, you can change the colors from this section. And these are the display engine. Default is fine for now. You can see the samples of the colors from here. 120 at all time is fine. This will lead to more battery drainage, but it's fine for me. Per app refresh rate can be changed as well. Then in the system section, anything new as such, gestures. So quick tap, back tap twice, take a screenshot. Let me see if it's working or not. Just give me a second. Well, currently, okay, now it's working. It required a couple of taps, but now it's working well and good. You could also change it to any of the other tools. You can also launch an app from here on doing a double tap at the back. Apart from that, the same UI modes which is there on all the other phones are here as well. It's a clean stock UI experience. Okay, you have the option to spoof your phone, get an unrevoked keybox file loaded over here, and you will pass the strong test with ease. So for example, let me show you if I have a keybox file or not. Just give me a second. Downloads somewhat. I am not quite sure. For the sake of reference, Let's take any keybox file if it's there or not. For sample, let's use this one. So copy the keybox file and paste the file onto your phone. Anywhere will do. Just change the file transfer and copy the keybox file, paste it onto your phone, then rename it to keybox. Remove the numbers from the end, remove it, and just name should be keybox.xml. Now just tap on this option, select keybox to spoof, choose the keybox file, and that is it. You will now pass the strong test if the file is currently unrevoked. So you could ask for the keybox file from my article as well. The file is, the links of the article are here. So you may either ask for the file from the article's comment section, or you may simply get my keybox module, which is over here, and pass the strong test. If the keybox is currently banned, then you may use my article to pass the strong test using a banned keybox as well. The first and the second method should get the job done. The videos are also there. So you could even pass by the banned keybox. And guys, that's just about it. This is the ASCP ROM based on Android 16 QPR1 source code, and the initial setup screen was based on the 16 QPR2 source code, which is quite great to see. And currently using a Poco F5 phone with the Android 16 build, you could see. If you want to flash it, then I have an article over here. For the ASCP, it's given over here. You may have a look at my article and flash the ROM and get the job done. For all the other phones, the ROM will be live soon. So keep a tab on my article for that. And if you have any other query, let me know in the comment section. And thanks a lot for watching this video.